Yeah, so P3 day one here in Slovakia. I kind of wanted a little bit more than that. I was kind of looking for the overall, but yeah, a little bit of a slow start first lap and was just missing a little bit here and there. So yeah, kind of happy to limit the losses at least and kind of get a win in E1, which was good for points, good for the championship. So looking forward to getting recovered and looking forward to day 2.
No, it was a really good day. I honestly wasn't too excited about coming back here because the last 2 years I had a load of bad luck with the rain and struggled a little bit, and yeah, we had a really hot day and I really felt good on the test and just wanted to ride how I know I can, and I honestly didn't look at a time all day. I was just looking as I come out of the test and I was thinking, oh, doing some good times, but when they told me I was second at the end, I was, yeah, over the moon, so try again tomorrow.
Hi guys, finished day 1 here in Slovakia, round 5, and really happy about my day, got the overall win after a long day and a hot day of racing, and really happy about my riding. I didn't do any big mistakes and the speed was good, so happy with my day and we try again tomorrow.